Imagine this. You are at an airport. Your flight is in 2 hours, and a staff member walks up to you and says something in fast English.
Your heart beats fast. You didn't understand. And you don't know what to say back.
Or you go to the check-in desk, and the person asks you questions, and your mind goes completely blank.
These moments happen, and they feel very stressful.
But here's the truth. Airport English uses the same sentences. Every time. Every airport.
Learn those sentences, and airports become easy.
Today, we practice all of them. Simple, clear, A1 English.
By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to say at every step of the airport.
Let's go.
Hey everyone, welcome. I'm Mia.
And I'm Alex. So happy you're here today.
Today's topic, English at the airport. A1 level, simple vocabulary, short sentences.
We're going to walk through the whole airport experience together, step by step.
Check-in, security, the gate, on the plane.
Every situation, every important sentence.
Just listen, follow along, and feel the confidence grow.
Let's start at the very beginning.
Before we practice conversations, let's learn the important airport words. Listen carefully.
Passport. That's your travel document. It shows who you are.
Ticket or boarding pass, the paper or phone screen that lets you get on the plane.
Luggage. Your bags, your suitcase. Everything you bring with you.
Check-in. This is where you go first. You show your passport and ticket.
Gate. The door where you wait and then get on the plane.
Flight. The journey on the plane from one place to another.
Departure. When the plane leaves.
Arrival. When the plane lands at the destination.
Delay. When the flight is late, not on time.
Security. The area where they check your bags and body for safety.
Terminal. The big building at the airport. Some airports have more than one.
Quick quiz. What is the paper that lets you get on the plane called?
A. Passport. B. Boarding pass.
B. Boarding pass. Your passport shows who you are. Your boarding pass gets you on the plane.
Both are very important. Never lose either one.
Okay, first situation. Check-in. This is the first desk you go to at the airport.
The person at the desk checks your documents, takes your luggage, and gives you your boarding pass.
Listen to this conversation carefully.
I'm the check-in staff. You're the traveler.
Ready.
Good morning. Can I see your passport and ticket, please?
Good morning. Yes, here you go.
Thank you. Where are you traveling to today?
I am going to New York.
How many bags are you checking in?
Just one bag.
Please put your bag on the scale here.
Okay, like this?
Perfect. Did you pack this bag yourself?
Yes, I packed it myself.
Does your bag contain any liquids or sharp objects?
No, it does not.
Great! Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is B12. Boarding starts at 2:30.
Thank you. Where is gate B12?
Go straight, then turn left. Follow the signs for Terminal B.
Thank you so much.
Have a great flight.
Let's look at key phrases from that conversation.
How many bags are you checking in? Checking in your bag means giving it to the airline. They put it under the plane.
Did you pack this bag yourself? This is a security question. Always answer yes if you packed it.
Boarding starts at 2:30. Boarding means the time passengers start getting on the plane.
Follow the signs. Signs are the directions on the walls and ceiling. They show you where to go.
Quick quiz. The staff says boarding starts at 2:30. What does that mean?
A. The plane leaves at 2:30. B. Passengers start getting on the plane at 2:30.
B. Boarding is when you get on the plane. The flight might leave later.
Next situation. Security. This is the area where they check your bags and make sure everything is safe.
It can feel confusing, but the process is always the same.
Listen to what the security staff say and know how to respond.
Please take off your shoes and belt.
Okay, like this?
Yes, and put your bag in the tray, please.
Of course, here.
Do you have any liquids in your bag?
Yes, I have a small water bottle.
Liquids must be less than 100 milliliters. Is yours small?
Yes, it is very small.
Okay, please walk through the scanner.
Like this?
Yes, slowly. Thank you. You are clear. Collect your things on the other side.
Thank you.
Let's look at key phrases. Take off your shoes. Remove your shoes at security. This is normal everywhere. Put your bag in the tray. A tray is a flat container. Your bag goes in it and goes through the machine.
You are clear. This means everything is fine. No problems. You can continue.
Collect your things. Pick up your bags and items after the scanner. Quick quiz. Security says put your bag in the tray. What do?
A. Hold your bag tight. B. Place your bag in the flat container.
B. Place your bag in the tray. Always follow security instructions calmly.
You know, Mia, airports are one of the most important places to know English.
Completely. And practicing these conversations before you travel makes everything so much calmer. That's what A1 English is about. Simple, practical sentences for real-life situations.
So if this is helping you, if you feel more prepared, please subscribe.
New practical English videos every week. Real situations, simple language.
We really appreciate you being here today. Situation 3. Waiting at the gate and asking questions there. Sometimes you have questions at the gate about your seat, about the flight, about delays.
Listen to these simple conversations.
Excuse me, is this the gate for New York?
Yes, it is. Flight 214 to New York.
Thank you. What time does the flight leave?
It departs at 3:15.
Is the flight on time?
Yes, it is on time today.
Great. Thank you.
Now, let's hear a different situation. The flight is delayed.
Excuse me, is the flight to London on time?
I'm sorry. The flight is delayed. It will leave at 6 o'clock now.
I see. Why is it delayed?
There is a weather problem. We are very sorry for the wait.
Okay. Thank you for telling me.
Let's look at phrases. Is the flight on time? Very important question. You want to know if the plane leaves at the correct time.
The flight is delayed. Delayed means late, not on time. It will leave later than planned.
It departs at 3:15. Departs means leaves. The plane leaves at that time.
And notice, even when there is bad news, be calm. Be polite.
Okay, thank you for telling me. Short, polite, perfect response to a delay.
Quick quiz. The staff says the flight is delayed. What does that mean?
A. The flight is on time. B. The flight is late.
B. Delayed means late. The flight will leave later than planned. Situation 4. Boarding. Getting on the plane.
When it's time to board, the staff check your boarding pass at the gate door. Listen to this short conversation.
Good afternoon. Can I see your boarding pass, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Window or aisle?
Sorry?
Your seat. Is it window or aisle?
Oh, window seat. Seat 12A.
Perfect. Welcome aboard. Enjoy your flight.
Thank you.
Let's explain. Can I see your boarding pass? Always have it ready, on your phone or as paper.
Window or aisle? Window seat is next to the window. Aisle seat is next to the walkway between seats.
Welcome aboard. Aboard means on the plane. This is a warm welcome from the airline staff.
Enjoy your flight. A friendly goodbye as you get on the plane.
Quick quiz. The staff says, welcome aboard. Where are you? A, at the check-in desk. B, getting on the plane. B, aboard means on the plane. Welcome aboard means welcome to the plane.
One more situation. On the plane, because conversations happen there too.
With the flight attendant, with your neighbor. Simple and short.
Listen.
Excuse me? Is this seat 14B?
Yes, it is. That's your seat.
Thank you. Can I put my bag here?
Of course. The overhead compartment is right above you.
Thank you.
Now the flight attendant comes.
Good afternoon. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, please. Can I have water?
Of course. Ice or no ice?
No ice, please.
Here you go. Enjoy your flight.
Thank you very much.
Key phrases. Overhead compartment. The storage space above your seat for your bag.
Would you like something to drink? The flight attendant asks what you want to drink.
Can I have water? The simplest and most polite way to ask for something on a plane.
And always say please and thank you. Always.
It makes every interaction warm and easy.
Listening practice time. A complete airport story. Listen carefully.
This is the story of Maria. She travels from Chicago to Miami for the first time, alone.
Maria arrives at the airport at 6 in the morning. She goes to the check-in desk.
The staff says, "Good morning. Passport and ticket, please."
Maria gives her passport and boarding pass. The staff takes her bag. Your gate is C4, boarding at 8:15.
Maria says thank you and walks to security. She takes off her shoes. She puts her bag in the tray. She walks through the scanner.
You are clear. Collect your things. Maria picks up her bag and shoes. She feels good.
She finds gate C4. She asks, "Is this the gate for Miami?"
Yes, flight on time. Boarding at 8:15.
Maria waits. At 8:15, she boards the plane. "Boarding pass, please?" She shows it. "Welcome aboard."
She finds her seat, puts her bag in the overhead compartment, sits down.
The flight attendant comes. "Would you like a drink?" Maria says, "Yes, please. Water, no ice."
The plane takes off. Maria looks out the window. She did it. All in English.
Questions. What time does Maria arrive at the airport?
6 in the morning.
What is her gate number?
C4.
What does she ask at the gate?
Is this the gate for Miami?
What does she ask the flight attendant?
Can I have water? No ice, please. Maria used A1 English. Short, simple sentences. At every step.
And she handled the whole airport experience alone.
So can you.
Let's review all the key sentences from today, step by step. At check-in, here is my passport. I am going to New York. I have one bag. I packed it myself.
At security, here is my bag. I have a small water bottle. Thank you.
At the gate, is this the gate for Miami?
Is the flight on time? What time does it depart?
Boarding. Here is my boarding pass. My seat is 12A.
On the plane, can I put my bag here? Can I have water, please? No ice, please.
Key vocabulary. Passport. Boarding pass. Luggage. Gate. Departure. Arrival. Delay. Security. Terminal. Overhead compartment.
That is a complete airport toolkit, and it's all A1 English.
Short sentences, simple words, real confidence.
Everyone, airports are not scary when you know what to say.
And now you know every step, every situation, every sentence.
Your challenge today. Say these sentences out loud right now.
Here is my passport. I am going to New York. Can I have water, please?
3 sentences. Out loud right now.
Because every time you speak, even alone, your confidence grows.
If this video helped you, please like it and share it with someone who travels or wants to travel.
And subscribe. We have more A1 English practice coming every week. Restaurants, hotels, workplaces, all simple and real.
Leave us a comment. Tell us, where are you flying next? Or where do you want to fly?
Write it in English below.
Even one word. We love reading your answers. Next time, A1 English at a hotel. Check-in, room problems, asking for help. All the sentences you need.
That one is going to be really practical.
Come back for it. We'll be here.
Take care of yourselves, everyone.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.